Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to copy trade on Bybit. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Bybit mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you're successfully logged in, on the home page, you are going to see the option of copy trading. So you need to tap on copy trading and then you will be landed on this copy trading page. Now over here, you are going to see bunch of different traders that are recommended by Bybit. So you just have to select any of the traders that you want to copy and then you just have to tap on the option of copy now. After that, it will ask you to start copying with. So over here, you just have to enter the amount that you want to spend to copy the other traders. Afterwards, you need to press this confirm button in the bottom, and on the next page, you just have to follow further on-screen instructions in order to start copy trading on Bybit. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.